This ring right here just might be the most stylish yet subtle piece of tech that I've worn all year, and it's now making my everyday lifestyle into a reward game. Let's discuss. So this futuristic piece of tech right here, y'all, is the CUDIS AI Smart Ring. And yes, I know what you guys may be thinking. See, kid, this looks way too fashionable to be a smart piece of tech. But listen, I'm telling y'all right now, it is no question a smart device. So the CUDIS AI Smart Ring, y'all, is a smart wearable device that doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't wake you up during nights, nor does it bother you during your gaming sessions. It also doesn't buzz your whole wrist, but yet it works quietly in the background. So first thing you guys will notice, y'all, when it comes to the smart device here, or you might not notice, is its stylish design. This inner titanium layer is so clean looking, while the outside patented design silicone band gives you guys extra customization potentials. You can swap to 12 different colors to be able to match your mood as well as your vibe, meaning you can go black with it, you can go red, you can go yellow, you can go white, you name it, they got it, all right? It's also so light to the point where it feels like there's nothing even on your finger. Only a subtle light indicator that flashes every now and then, or basically what I'm trying to say, y'all, it's not a bulky smartwatch, all right? And remember earlier when I said it's turning my lifestyle into games, I mean exactly that, y'all. It's turning my sleep, my steps, as well as my workouts into a rewarding quest, leaderboard, and challenges. It also includes a community feature where I can lead my own team on a wellness journey and compete with other communities as well. So the healthier you are, the more health points you guys can acquire. And with the gamification experience as well as social features, you never feel alone. You can also challenge yourself with friends, and you can climb the rankings on the leaderboard as well. I just personally love how they design the mechanism to be able to kind of nudge people with a healthier lifestyle, doing long gaming sessions or those late night editing sessions that you know we all have. Completely forget that I'm even wearing it. Listen, y'all, there's no buzzing, there's no pop-ups pulling me out of the moment. It really feels like a background system for real life, which is exactly why it fits within my setup aesthetic so nicely when it comes to clean desk, clean PC builds, clean PS5, and a clean wearable piece of tech. See, it just all matches the vibes, baby. Now, the next thing I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about, and that is the battery life. And to me, this is where I feel like smart rings make a whole lot of sense to me, because you're not having to charge this bad boy up right here every single night like you would have to do with a smartwatch. Now, when it comes to the CUDIS AI Smart Ring here, you just basically put it on and it just keeps you guys going with up to 10 days of use on a single charge with the newest charging pod. You don't have to deal with any battery anxiety and none of that "did I actually charge my wearable" type of moments, because listen, I'm sure we've all been in that predicament before. All right? And for my gamers out there, man, that is already juggling, controller batteries, headsets, smartphones, and keyboards, less charging is a huge, huge win in my book that I feel like we can all appreciate and love. Now, the next thing I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about is the tech side of things when it comes to this smart ring here. And this is where I feel like the AI smart ring part kind of really comes into play. So the CUDIS is built around AI-powered data tracking that quietly monitors things like your activities, your daily movements, and even your basic health metrics like your blood oxygen, your RHR, your stress level, your steps, as well as your HRV, as well as your sleep scores with 4 stages of sleep. So instead of you guys checking your phone every 5 seconds, this ring right here collects data in the background and lets you guys review it later at your own leisure. It's not loud tech, but it's smart and subtle tech, just like I like it. And last, man, is a big part, especially if you guys are into the future tech, and that is the privacy of data and ownership. This is one where I feel like CUDIS really set this to be one of the main key features. Now, when it comes to the privacy as well as data ownership, your data isn't being blasted all over social media platforms or turned into notifications every freaking 2 minutes. Nah, there's none of that when it comes to this. This ring right here leans more into the idea that your data is yours, which I feel is very forward thinking, especially when we live in a day and age or just a world where wearables, I feel, are getting more and more invasive. There's no camera on here, there's no microphone, and there's no constant alerts. All you're getting is just raw health data that you guys can get from the CUDIS app when you guys need them. So who do I personally feel like the CUDIS AI Smart Ring is for? I would say, y'all, it isn't for someone who wants the flashy screens or constant notifications. Nah, this is gonna be here for those people out there, man, that likes really clean setups, minimal distractions, and futuristic tech that stays out of the way. So that way you can more so focus on whatever task that that you guys have at hand. So if you guys like tech that blends into your lifestyle instead of interrupting it, then I personally feel like this ring right here is something that makes the most sense in your life and is going to keep up with your basic health information whenever you guys need it. So if you guys are interested, I will definitely have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below. Also, man, I got to send a huge shout out to my homies over at CUDIS, man, for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Squad, we out. And go track your health.